Yeah, welcome again, and I'm going to take you through the second part of our tutorial, and I want us just to continue from where we left from part one of our tutorial on how to design a website using Joomla 3.0. And as I can remember, we were moving on to the next thing, and I wish that this is going to be a very interactive session where you're going to understand the remaining parts of this tutorial. Welcome, and let us continue. Now from this website, you are going to click on About Us, and if you click on About Us, you are seeing it is showing the slideshow. If you also click on Location, the slideshow is showing. If we click on our menu, we are seeing that the slideshow is also showing. The same to Contact Us page. So what you have just done is that we have made the slideshow to show on all these menus. Therefore, it is just appearing exactly the same as what we have on our sample website that we are designing, that we are copying from. Therefore, we are moving on well. So I want us to put this information on our website, on our home page. I want us to create all the information and put it on our website that we are creating. So it is going to be easy. We are just going to go to content, then we click on article manager. Then when we click on article manager, sorry, we are logging in again because we have delayed. So just click on there. You are going to see that there is no any new article, so we are going to create our own articles. So just click on create. Then when you click on create, you just put a title. The first one is going to be an article for our home page, so just write home. Then I'm going to be using the articles that I had written earlier, so I'm just going to save time to take the article that I had designed earlier. So just allow me to copy paste. That is the information for our home page. We're just going to take it and copy it, then paste it on our editor, as you all can see. So after doing that, we shall highlight it and at least make it bold so that it is clearly visible, yeah, and for emphasis. Then I want us to enter. Then we insert a straight line to give these information boundaries. Then we click there and backspace so that it is not too far. Then we again click there and enter, and also put that line there. So the two lines are going to inbound the information we have, okay, on our home page. Then we are going to just click on we're just going to click on save and new, because we are still making another one. So just click on save and new so that we make the next article. Yeah, that's it. So when you click on that, you are going to write the next article, which is going to be about us. So this is going to be an article for our about us page. So just allow me to copy paste that information to save more on time. So I'm going to copy paste the information there. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm also going to backspace and insert that line there so that it is unbounded also up and down. So the information is going to be within the boundaries. Then I'm also going to make it bold a little bit. Yeah, that's it. Then we are going to save and new. So we just use that information. You can change the format of this information the way you want it to be. So let us save and new. Still we want to make another one. We shall make another one for menu. Yeah, we shall make another one for menu. Then I copy what I had, then I paste it here. Yeah, our editor. You can change the layout, the font size, and the font style of these words you are writing on this editor. So just allow me to do the same procedure for this, and that's what we have. Then we still need one for our contact us page. So we shall create one for contact us page. So we're just going to save and new still. Then we make another one for contact us page. So just write contact us as the title. Then we take the pre-edited one. So just I'm just highlighting. If you haven't done that, so just write. It's important that you just write anything there. Yeah. Then after doing that, we now highlight it, make it a little bit bold, and also do the same thing by bounding it in between the two lines. Yeah, it is very important. So we shall do that for all the articles that we are creating here. Then we save and close. At least we have the 4 articles that we are going to use. So we are now going to make them active on our menus. So we are going to click on menus, so that we add them on menus on home pages, on pages. So we are going to click on menus, then click on main menu, of course. Then that's where we have. So go to home, click on home menu. We start with that. Then we are going to change the menu type. That's what we're going to do. We are going to be changing the menu type from featured articles. Now we have an article, so we change it from featured articles to a single article. Yeah. Then it will bring you another option to select an article. So just select an article for home that we had already created. So just click on home. Yeah, there it is. Then we save and close. So that article is going to show on home. We do the same for about us. Just click on about us, change the menu type, item type from featured to single article, because we have the article already. Then we select the article. The article for about us is there, so just click on that article, save and close. Then we shall do the next for our menu. Yeah, so just click on menu, change the menu item type from featured articles to single article. Yeah, so that's going to give us that article called menu. So just click on menu, then save and close. Then finally you're going to contact us. Yeah. Then we write the article for contact us, change it first of all from featured to single article, because you have the single article. Then after doing that, we just select the article for contact us, which is there. So just take the article, save and close. So with that, we can just come to our page, try to reload and see if the changes have taken effect. Yeah, we can see we have the articles, though they are not visible because of the font color, the background color. I think we shall have to change the background color to make this a bit appealing and visible. So you can just try to preview on other pages like about us. Yeah, it is there, the information. Yeah, you can see it. Then if you go to the next one, which is menu, if you click on menu, you are going to see we have it. Then if you click on contact us, you'll still see it. Now there's one thing we want to do. I want us to remove these details talking about contact us, these headings, the showings that those home titles created by, and all other information like previous. We don't need them. So we are going to remove all those information like categories, published by, hints. We don't need those in our website. So how do we remove that? We are going back to our content, article manager. Click on article manager, then click on options. back, then at the corner there you're seeing the option button. Just click on options, then you disable and hide everything. So you're just going to click on hide, no, hide, yeah, then no, hide, no, something like that, hide, hide, yeah, hide, yeah, hide, something like that. You hide everything so that it is visible. Then you save and close. If you save and close, you will let's confirm something from our home page display options. Yeah, no, so that means that that's okay. Then we can save that and close. Then we can try to check on the rest. Yeah, it is no, everything is okay. Yeah, then we can also look at the next one, location page. Yeah, page options, page display options. The heading is not showing, that is okay. Then I think the rest are also in the same manner. So we just have to reload our page and see what will happen. So if we reload, everything is showing the way it is, except for that, and we shall remove that. So let us check on about us. Yeah, we don't have those contents that were there initially. This one is always going to be there because we are editing, so the settings for that is just going to be there always. We cannot avoid it. Then contact us is okay. Yeah, so I want us to do something here. I want us to remove that. So how do we remove that? I think we shall be going to let me find it. Give me a minute to find it. Give me a minute to find it. Yeah, we have found it in options. So just go to options, then we again hide everything. So after doing that, now we are set to go. I think that's it. So we can save and close and preview our home page and see if the changes have taken effect. Yeah, the date is not there anymore, so that's what we wanted. Now I want us to change the background so that we can make these things visible. How do we change the background? We are going back to our template manager to change the background and make it a bit nice for easy visibility. And I will prefer that we change it to white, something white, something clear. So that's what I want us to do. So I want us to click here on choose background color and choose the background color to something like whitish or gray, which will be better. So let's try to check that. Let's reload and see. Yeah, I think that's now better. Everything is visible, everything is clear. Yeah, maybe we can just try to make it more white and see if it will. So let me try to make it more white. Yeah, let me try to make it more white. Yeah, like that. Then we can save and close. I think that color is just okay for us to use. So after doing that, I want us to go back to the information is visible. Now I want us to add other contents on this page. I want us to add the services, meals, yeah, mission, vision, and everything that is appearing here on our home page. And how are we going to do that? That's what we want to look at right now. I want us to go back to our page and click on module manager. Yeah, that's what we are going to use. After clicking on module manager, I want you to click on new. We click on new, then we click on custom HTML, because we are going to be creating custom modules. Then we put the title for the first one. The first item we are going to create is a module for services. Yeah, so just write the title as services. Yeah, that's it. Then we have the information that I had prepared for services. So allow me just to copy that. Yeah, allow me to copy that and paste it there. Yeah. Then we have an image that we are going to use. So down there you are going to see image. So we are going to insert an image. Yeah, this image, the image for the chefs, the waitresses. So we go back to our folder fruit shop, then we find that image, click on it and insert. Give it image float on the left. Then it is very important, then you insert the image. After inserting, it is big, so try to minimize it a little bit to make it presentable on the page. So try to minimize it a little bit, and then you can make the other writings to be in bold or something of the sort. Yeah, so that is appealing. Then we have to show the title. Title is always going to show. Then we give it a position. It is very important to give it position, because we are going to be positioning it, giving it where it is going to be seen. When you click on it, where do you see it? That is what we call position. So we are going to click on middle top position, and we give assignment, menu assignment. We are going to show it on which page to be visible. Now we are going to click on select only. Yeah, that is very important. On menu assignment, select only pages. This is where, on which page do we want to show. Now because we are editing the home page, I would like us to put it on home page by just checking on home. Then we save and try to preview it. Yeah, we try to preview it. Yeah, that's it. But I think the positioning is not right, because it has appeared above the welcome message. So we shall have to change the positioning by coming back to our module. Yeah, then we change position. I want it to be middle bottom one. So we shall change it to middle bottom one. Yeah, click on middle bottom one. Then we shall save and also preview that to make sure that everything is okay. So if we reload, it has appeared exactly the way I want it to be. It should be below there. That is okay. And now we save and new, because we want to create another one. We want to make meals module. So we shall just write the title as meals. Yeah, we shall just make the title as meals. Then after doing that, I have the information. I just copy the information and just copy the information and paste it there. Yeah, that's it. Then we make it a little bit bold. Then we are going to insert an image caption. So the image is the image of a chef there. So we're just going to insert that image from our media gallery, which is in sample fruit shop. Then the image is right there. Click on it, then insert it. Yeah, then try to resize it a little bit. Yeah, to make it not being too big or too small. Yeah, so I think that that image is enough that way. Then after doing that, we are also going to align it on the left. This is the way I said. Yeah, I just align it on the left, then give it position. We said position is middle bottom. So now we are going to say middle bottom 2 because we have already used the position middle bottom 1. So I want us to use middle bottom 2. So find it middle bottom 2, then click on it. After clicking on it, now you can go to menu assignment, select the selected page. Then we want only to display it on home page. Then we save and try to reload. Yeah, that's it. So you can see it as displayed exactly where we want it to be. Yeah. Then after doing that, I want us to also do the same for the others. Now that that's what we have, we shall save and new and create the next one, which is mission. So just write there mission. That's what we need. Then we copy paste the information from what I had prepared earlier. Yeah, just copy and paste it there. Mission. Then we'll highlight it and make it bold just as usual. Then we have to insert an image caption of the chefs there. So from our media, we're going to select that image for the chefs. In sample data, Photoshop, that image is there. Just click it and insert it. There it is. There we go. Now we'll try to resize it so that it is not too big or too small, yeah, as usual. Then after doing that, we give it position. Now we are going to use middle bottom 3 because we have already used middle bottom 1 and 2. We try to arrange them in that line so that those are the positions. We have so many positions for modules there, and you can just manipulate them at your own time, try to see what happens. Then again, I said we have to put it on only home page, so we click on home. After doing that, we save and try to preview first before you can close it. So if you preview, you are seeing it appearing there you want it to be. Yeah, so that's it. So now we can create the next one for vision. Yeah, create the next one for vision. Yeah, so you're going to write their vision just as usual. Then after doing that, we are going to take the information that I had. You can write the information, don't worry. Yeah? You can just write the information. Yeah? Then you make it bold. If you pause this video, you will always see this information clearly. Then you can just write it manually for learning purposes if you want to learn and write exactly what I've written. But you can also just be creative enough and come up with something. So we are inserting an image. We are using that image and inserting it there. Then try to resize it as usual. So we resize it to make it be what we want to use. Then we shall assign it on home page only. So we are going to assign it on home page. Then we save. We just save first. We don't save and close. We just save first, but we haven't given it position yet. So we are going to give it middle bottom 4. So just write middle bottom 4. There it is. Yeah, click on it. Then we can save and close it. Then we try to refresh. There it is. Now we are going to arrange those words in order so that they are not the way they are looking. You can look at them so that they are all aligned at the bottom of the images. So we are going to do that by trying to space them. So we are going to start with the first one, which is meals. So we are going to change the size of the mails wording so that they fit exactly the way we want them. So just click on where we start the hour, just click there, then try to enter, click on enter so that it is in that position that we want. Then save it, try to reload and see if something has happened. Yeah, it has moved, so we still need to move it further. So just click again and move it like twice, then try to save again and preview where it will be. If we preview, yeah, it is now at the bottom. That's what we wanted, so it is exactly at the position that we need. Then we are going to save and close and do the same for the next one, the next module. And the next module is a mission module. We have to move that one until it fits exactly where we want. So we are going to click on mission module, then we try to space it, taking it down several steps. Just enter and enter again. So try to save and see where it is going to appear. If you try to save it, you will see that it has moved, but it is now too far, so we can return it a little bit up, one by one step maybe. Yeah, then we save and preview what has happened. Yeah, now it's okay, so we can leave it at that. Yeah, that's it. So we have all the information for our home page the way we wanted them. Yeah, so the only thing I want us to add is meals of the week, that one. And for these meals of the week, as you can all see, it is just something like news showing some information on our pages. So we are just going to click on create new. First of all, we save and close that, then click on save new, create new, I mean. Then when you click on new, we are going to make it as news, so we just click on latest news module, then give it a title as meals of the week, where all meals, best meals of the week are going to be displayed automatically by the website. So you will not be adding, you just be giving it category where you want them to come from, the information, then it will be displaying the information. Then we put it on home page because we only want it to display on the home page. Then we save and close. We only want it to appear on the home page, so we are only going to put it on home, because if you look at what we have here, it is not showing on all pages. Yeah, it is not showing on all pages, so we shall just put it on yeah, it is not showing on every page, so we are only going to put it on our home page. Then we save and close. Then after that, we can preview to see what has happened. It is obvious necessary to preview so that you can make changes earlier. Okay, then we have forgotten something. We did not give it any position, sorry, so we must give it a position. And we said it's going to appear in middle bottom, we are going to give it a middle bottom, I think middle bottom 3 or something, or middle bottom 1, or just any other position, but I prefer that we give it middle bottom 1, so that it appears exactly at the same place as what we have for the other page. So if you save it on the middle on that and preview, it is showing back end, that is middle bottom 4, but I want us to give it middle bottom 1, so we shall give it middle bottom 1. So just click on middle bottom 1, then you save and preview. Yeah, that's exactly the position I want it to be, so it is appearing where we really want it to appear. Okay, So we are done with the home page, because all the information you are seeing here is also displayed on our page that we have just created, as you can all see. Yeah, so I want us to create our about us page, and if we reload our page, I think our about us page is already filled with the information. So we are done with our about us page. We don't need to add any other information there. So we are just going directly to, because this information on this is exactly the information that is there, though the font size is a bit smaller here. So we are going to our location page, and on our location page, if you look at this, the information we have there is that working hours, reservation, location, and testimonials, and that's what we want to create and put it exactly at that position. So we are going to put it there. So we are going to start, first of all, we save and close that, because we are done with that. So we are going to start by creating new modules, and the modules are going exactly to be what we have. So we're going to write to create a new module, and it's going to be custom HTML module. So just click on custom HTML and write working hours, because that's what we want to create, working hours. So we are going to take the information that I had copied and pasted, then we copy it and paste it there. So it will show what we need. Then we can highlight the title. We first of all backspace, then we press shift and enter. Press shift and enter. If you press shift and enter, that is going to come exactly below there. Yeah, that's it. Then we make that one bold. Yeah, then we do the same for that, make it bold. Then we can backspace that time to there, then we press shift and enter to make it there. Yeah, then we can give it position to middle. I think we are using middle top, so we are going to be using middle top 1, middle top 2, middle top 3, in that order. So let us just give it middle top positions. So click on that and write middle. You can just search or just find manually for the positions. These positions are so many, you can just try to test them as you work with that. Then we save and new. Then we create the next one. After working hours, we have the next one, which is we can just preview reservations. Yeah, so we can now create reservations, and after writing reservations, we just check the information for reservations and copy it. Then I'm going to paste it there. It is important for you to write this information earlier, so that you just copy pasting it and it makes work easier as you design your website. So give it position now middle top 2, because we have used middle top 1. So we shall just click on middle top 2. Then menu assignment is very important. We are going to give it on the selected page. Now we are making location page, so just tick on location. Then after doing that, we save and new. We did not give up menu assignment for working hours. We shall collect that one later. So let us go to the next one, and the next one is location itself. We want to describe the location of our restaurant. So we are going to take the information that I had edited earlier for location. Yeah, copy it and also paste it there. So after doing that, we give it position middle top 3 now. So just write middle top 3 and try to find it on our template Oasis. Then give it menu assignment on location only. Then we save and new. Then we are going to write the last one, which is testimonials. Yeah, and for testimonials we have an image there, and we have some quotations there. You can see the quotations. So that's what I want us to create. So we shall write there the title, which is testimonial. Yeah, testimonial. Then after doing that, we give it the menu assignment on location, then give it position. We can first of all write the information of our testimonial, which is the information is that. So we are going to copy and paste the information. Yeah. Then because we are creating a quotation, I want us to add something to it. But first of all, let us make it bold. First of all, let us insert the image. So the image, you are going to take that image by just clicking on image down there. Yeah. Then we insert the image from sample data fruit shop. The image is that one, I think. We can then insert it. Yeah. Then we can just yeah, and just try to resize it. Then we highlight that one and make it bold. Then it is a quotation. Since it is a quotation, I want us to insert those quotations, and for that we have to toggle our editor from just writing text into a HTML format. Yeah, and for this you must know how to write HTML text if you are a designer. So we are going to insert there in our tags the word block quote, so that it only shows in quotations. Yeah, so we are going to put our tags and write in that tags block quote. The word is block quote. Yeah, block quote. Yeah, that's the way I'm writing it, block quote. Yeah, then you close the tag. Then at the end you're also going to close the block quote by opening a tag and a slash. Then you write block quote inside there. Just write block quote. Then you close the tag. Then you can retoggle back the editor. Then you'll see quotation marks there. So that is the quotation for this text. Then after doing that, we can now give it a position before we can save. So the position is going to be on a middle top 4, because we are now using middle top 4. Now we just click middle top 4. Then we save and preview. Yeah, that's it. So it has appeared exactly the way we want it to be. So you can see we have testimonials appearing and everything else. So now we are done with the location page, because it is exactly like this other page, as you can see. So we are going to edit on we are now going to edit our menu. This as you are seeing here, I just used to change the font as you edit, so you can just change the fonts, but they shall not appear on the page when you have hosted it finally. So just leave them there for editing purposes. You can just use them to change fonts of the whole page the way it appears. Then we are going to edit our menu page, and our menu page is just having a single image, and I'm just going to insert that image there and that information, and I think the information is already there, as you can see. Now there is something that I forgot. We are going to change working first of all and give it only working hours. I wanted to give it only the location page. So click on working hours, menu assignment, and just change it from all pages to location page. Yeah, and save and new, because we want to just make another module for menu. So just save and new and write there the word menu. Yeah, menu. Then we are going to put it on menu page only, so just select menu, then you put the information. The information is just a photo, so we are just going to take an image of the menu that I downloaded, but you can just even write a table or anything and just put it there. Yeah, so just insert the menu, and I have the menu with me here. Yeah, then you upload it. So after uploading, just click on it and insert. There we are, that is it. So we can resize it, because it is just a menu. I want to enlarge it so that it is very clear and visible than the other one. So I'm making it a bit big and visible. Then I give it a position as middle top 1, or middle top, or any position, just any position, but I want to use middle top 1. Then we save and close. Then we try to preview. We reload our page. Yeah, there it is. It is as big as that. People can easily see the menu. Yeah, and like this one, this is very small and invisible, but just enlarged it, nothing big, so that it's just the same thing. So I think we are done with our menu page. I want us to go to the last page called the contact us page. Then I'm going to put the working hours and testimonials also in this page, the contact us page. So I'm just going to click on working hours, then I go to menu assignment. Yeah, then I also add contact us, so that it also shows on contact us page. I'll also do the same for testimonials. Click on testimonials and also assign it to contact us page. Assign it to contact us page, so that it will also show on our contact us page. Then we can preview and see the changes on our contact us page. Yeah, that's it. So we have that and that on that page. Now I want us to, after doing that, I want us to add the I want us to add the contact form. So we are going to click there and create new. We are going to create new. Then, because we want to contact us page, we are going to use let me look for what we are going to use. We are going to use S quick contact. Yeah, we are going to use S quick contact. So we shall click on S quick contact, then S quick contact, where is it? Yeah, that one. Let's click on S quick contact, then give it a title like talk to us. Yeah, talk to us. Just write talk to us. Then you can show the title and give it position, middle, bottom, You can use middle bottom, or middle top, or just any position, but I want us to use middle bottom 3, for example, and assign it only on contact us. Then we can we have to insert image, and we can use capture. Capture is used to verify that the person, somebody filling that information is a person and not a robot, because sometimes information can be filled by anything. Now that is the capture that you're talking about. You can just see it after you have written your email, then you fill the information for capture, then you send to verify that you are not a robot. Yeah. Then we shall include the email. Where does this information come after somebody writing a message to you? Where does it go? So I'm going to include that email, the email address, or showing where the information is going to be sent. So it is very important that we do that. So we are going to click on email should be sent to where. Yeah, you can see where the email is supposed to be sent. So just click on email should be sent to, then you write the email of the now the owner of the business, because somebody texting should text the owner of the business. So I'm assuming that we have an email called widemediarest@gmail.com. so that's where the information is going to come, the customer information, yeah, for this restaurant. Then we can save that and try to preview. We can save and try to preview. Yeah, so if we try to save and preview, that is going to give us that, but this module is not showing clearly. I think there is something wrong with it. I think there is something wrong with it. Everything is okay. 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 So let us save and preview again for the last time. Something must be the problem. Let me see. Talk to us. Sorry, let me reload again. I've taken too long. We used JE contact, quick contact. I'm so sorry. I think I used the wrong module. We are supposed to use the one that I downloaded. So I'm going to import to import a module and then replace with that one. So we are going to click on first of all, let me just trash this because it is not important. Then go to extension manager. Then I choose a contact form that I downloaded. So just click on requirement contact form. Yeah, that's it. Then we upload it. I think that's the contact form that I used because this default one is not working. Yeah, that's it. Now let us go to module manager and and just activate the JE quick contact. Yeah, that's it. Then you can yeah, that's it. So we can just edit this one. Yeah, you can just edit this contact form. I want us to write there talk to us. Talk to us. Then after writing talk to us, I want us to write the email recipient email. Now we have recipient email. Let's just write that email. That's the email of where the email will be submitted. Then after doing that, I want us to just give it position, which was middle top. It was middle top. So just click on middle top. Middle top using middle bottom, I mean. So let's just give it middle bottom. Middle bottom for all system template. Middle bottom for all system template. Yeah, middle bottom. It has so many positions. Then we publish it. Then we assign it to contact us page. Contact us page. Then we save and close. Then we try to preview. Exactly, that is it. That is the form. Now I want us to edit. We change the title of that form from JE quick contact to something like talk to us. Yeah, so we shall just edit that title. Just write there talk to us, or email us. Yeah, something like that. Email us or talk to us, then save and close. So if you reload, it will show email us. Yeah, that's it. So we are through with everything here, as you can all see, and I'm very grateful for your attention. We shall get more informations later on web design, and if you have any queries, just feel free to contact me and ask me questions. I will answer, and everything will be okay. Thank you for listening to this tutorial. Hope it is helpful and important. Thank you.